Hello everyone, welcome back to GearUpWindows. In this video, I will show you how to export bookmarks from Microsoft Edge on Windows 11 or Windows 10. Exporting your bookmarks is a quick and easy way to create a backup or move your favorite websites to another browser. So let's get started. First, open Microsoft Edge, then click on favorites icon on the toolbar, or you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus O on your keyboard to open favorites page. On the favorites page, click on More Options button in the upper right corner. From the menu, select Export Favorites. Now choose the folder from the left side navigation pane where you want to save the bookmarks file. If you like, you can enter a different name and then click on the save button. That's it. Your bookmarks have been exported successfully from Microsoft Edge. You can now keep the file as a backup or use it to import your bookmarks into another supported web browser whenever needed. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to Gear Up Windows for more Windows browser tutorials. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.